Hello, I'm Anthony Hughes, and I'm here to tell you about the newly expanded feature set in Dorico Elements 4. For many people, Dorico Elements is exactly what they need to effortlessly create beautifully engraved music to share and perform from. However, we have heard there are a few things that make it a little difficult for some users to achieve exactly what they need in Elements. And because we want all Dorico users to feel fulfilled and overjoyed no matter which version they're running, we're making some changes. Firstly, we've doubled the maximum player count in Dorico Elements from 12 to an amazing 24 players. This means a much wider range of ensembles can be achieved, including many school bands and orchestras that we would love to be using Dorico. Secondly, and I can hardly contain my excitement, we have brought Engrave mode graphical editing to Dorico Elements. Fine-tune the position of music items, easily create and manage frame and system breaks, and control casting off with the new Move Bar to Previous or Next system tools. We built Dorico to be an option-based engraving system, and we realize that different styles of music call for some very different options, which until now have been difficult to achieve in Dorico Elements. That's why we've made notation options available that let you control everything from the way notes, rests, and beams are notated, accidental rules to support different writing systems, bar lines and voices and percussion, and you're going to love it. And that's not all. We've enabled control for setting the language of staff labels, and we've found a way to give you access to the chord symbols engraving options that lets you quickly set a style for your chord symbols and then customize every conceivable aspect to your heart's content. We are so happy to be bringing this extra functionality and power to Dorico Elements and hope that it makes it a far more usable and enjoyable software for many more people. If you've enjoyed watching this video half as much as I've enjoyed making it, please consider giving it a thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe to our Dorico channel right now to see much more like this. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.